It's a 2015 Ford Focus. You'll love driving this Focus. A sleek design and interior craftsmanship combine for a perfect balance of great looks, efficiency, and performance. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, active grille shutters, wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, voice activation, manual telescoping steering column, power windows, and manual transmission. Kelley Blue Book reports the Focus has undergone a clean sheet recasting that brings a new look, enhanced quality, more features to a slightly larger package that's far more compelling both visually and dynamically. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.